Hey guys, what's up? Back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos. I use Canva, and yeah, Canva. I like Canva. It's a cool app. There's a lot of cool stuff. I even made my channel banner with this. Yeah, with the channel banner. That's one way. You can make a channel banner with this app too. Like, it's really cool. I like it. Want to click? You want to click all your designs. Oh wait, never mind. Click create a design. Then it'll say what do you want. Okay, once you search YouTube thumbnail, click that. I'm gonna reload it. It's not working. So go here. Let's click YouTube. So you gotta search YouTube thumbnail. Then click blank. And then you start from scratch. Then you can click images. And if you want to pay money, then you can use other stuff. But if you don't want to pay, just use where it says free. It's 100% free. So you can search what you want. I'm just gonna do a random one. So I'm just gonna be like, which one? Game. We'll do this PlayStation controller. Okay, I actually don't like this one. I have one picture that I like, and I took it today, so I use it for the back. I'm gonna start using it for backgrounds every new video I do. Canva. How do I enable that? No, I don't want to stop. Canva. I want to go to Canva. Okay, whatever. Okay. YouTube thumbnail. Blank. I'll figure it out later. I'm just gonna pick a random one, I guess. Okay. Okay. Then you click the plus, click text, then this actually will be the thumbnail for this video. I don't know. how to. Move the line about what color you want it. Text. I'm gonna click this one. I want it bold, all caps, and then I can make it bigger. Gonna pinch and zoom out. Throw it in the corner. Maybe turn it a little bit. Okay, so I then click plus. How to create channel nail. Okay. And then, if you want another color, this is your thumbnail. Do whatever you want. There we go. Go. That's a nice green. Then I usually use illustrations. Then YouTube. Then do that. Okay. So when you're happy, click the blue thing. Then save image. If you use anything that costs money, it'll say you have to pay. But after that, you can go to your home page, and it will be saved. And I'll show you also how to put it on your video. So you go to open YouTube Studios. And you click the pencil icon. Then click edit thumbnail. Then you can change it to whatever you want. So yeah, I hope this video helps.